How to top up Shopeepay using credit card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to top up Shopeepay using credit card. First, open the Shopeepay app and go to the Shopeepay balance section on the home page. Then, tap on Top Up and choose your credit card as the payment method. Now complete the payment process, and your balance will be updated immediately once the payment is verified. If your balance doesn't reflect within a day, contact Shopee's support team. Provide them with your transaction ID, which you can find under Last Transactions by selecting the failed top-up and copying the details. For added convenience, you can set up auto top-up by going to Shopeepay Balance and selecting Shopeepay Settings. Next, tap on Auto Top-Up Settings and set the balance threshold and the amount to top up. Then choose your credit card as the payment method, then submit and save the changes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.